I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pho tai. First, prepare your aromatics by roasting ginger and onions until they are nicely charred and fragrant. Next, blanch your beef bones for about 10 minutes. This crucial step removes impurities, ensuring a beautifully clear broth. Then, combine the bones with your toasted spices and simmer for at least 3 hours, allowing the rich, complex flavors to fully develop. Once your bones have simmered, it's time to introduce the toasted spices like star anise, cinnamon sticks, and cloves, letting them infuse for about 30 minutes. Next, season your broth with fish sauce, rock sugar, and a pinch of salt, tasting and adjusting until it reaches a perfect balance of savory and sweet. Finally, carefully strain the broth, ensuring it's perfectly clear and ready for serving. Now let's prepare the fresh ingredients. Thinly slice your raw beef sirloin or eye of round against the grain. This ensures tenderness. Cook your rice noodles until they are perfectly al dente, then rinse them briefly. Arrange the cooked noodles, the delicate raw beef, and a generous handful of fresh herbs like cilantro and basil in a large bowl. To complete your pho tai, offer a variety of fresh garnishes such as crisp bean sprouts, bright lime wedges, and spicy jalapeno slices. Don't forget hoisin sauce and sriracha on the side, allowing everyone to customize their bowl to perfection. Take a moment to check the description for a link to some fantastic deals, including those amazing darn tough socks. Enjoy your delicious, homemade pho.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.